Hello viewers, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is your Divya. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to implement an array. In this video, I will cover what is an array, how to declare an array, and how to perform add, delete, and search operation in an array. So first of all, we have to know what is an array. Array is used to store multiple values with the same data type. So here, if in this example, we can take here I declared int numbers array. So numbers array is the variable. So I declared it as an array and giving 5 values 6, 5, 8, 2, 4 with the same data type because it is an integer data type. I cannot mix the string, decimal or number. So if I want to have a string array, then I have to put it as a string array square bracket equal to, I have to add some strings. Okay, so this is how we will declare. So let's get to the add operation. So here we have a add element operation. So this is the original array with 5 values. Here in array, the length of the array will be declared like, we will say it as, it has a 5 value, so the length of the array it is 5. But the index will always start from 0 to n value. So that's why here the first element 6, it is denoted as a, it's located in the 0th position. So the index is 0. So the 5th is in the first position and 8 is in the second position. 2 is in the third position and 4th in the fourth position. So this is how we use to represent the index, and the length of the array is 5. In add operation, in my example, I'm going to insert an element in an array. So here in my example, I'm having a method called add element. In that add element, I'm giving the parameters, 3 parameters. One is array, the next one is which position, and the third one is value. So I'm giving the original array at what position the value has to be inserted. So the second, if you I declared a method. In that, I'm declaring a variable called result is an array with a size increased by 1, which in size is have the same size of array which is increased by 1, because we are going to insert an array. Hence, if it is the original array has 5 is the length. Now the new array, it will obviously have the length will be 6. Next, the next thing I did was, I'm going to loop. I used a for loop. In this for loop, if you see, I start the position from 0 and I want to repeat until it reaches the position 3. Okay, so if what I did is, whatever the array have the value 6, 5, 8, it has to be duplicated in the same positions as like in the result array. So if you see, the 6 will be, so the array of 0, the value will be just copied into the result of 0. So 6, 5, 8 are copied into the result array. The next thing is, I did the result of position is equal to value. So here the result array, when it reaches the position, the next line I'm giving, when it after reaching its position, you have to assign the new value to that position. So what the value we given is 10. The 10 value will be assigned to the new array, result array. So 10 will be in the third position. And again, I declared another for loop because I want to take the 2 and 4, that is the position 3rd and 4th, to move it to the result array. So how I'm going to do is, int j equal to position plus 1. The position is 3 and the plus 1 will be 4. So I'm taking j as a 4th, okay, because we need to fill up it only in the 4th position. So I'm taking the position plus 1 and the j should be less than the resultant dot length. Yes, the 4 is less than 6, and if it is, so the result array of 4 should be replaced by the array of, so we are just assigning the array of third position to result array of 4 and fourth position to fifth position. This is how the add element works. So if we go here, I'm declaring this variable. So before adding element and after adding element, the same I have given what we seen in the presentation, the same thing. So if I run, you will get before adding element, it is 65824. When you add it, then it will become 6581024. So let's go to the search operation. So search operation is an easy one. So here I declare the variable, sorry, it's a method called search by giving two parameters. One is an array and the value, what value I want to search, and this search method is going to return the position. Okay, that's how we, so if I want to go through the array, I have to declare a for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I started from the 0 index and it should be less than the array dot length. If it is, so first I'm going through the 6. 6 is not the value given 8. So then it will be processed through the 5. The 5 is not the value, so it is not equal. Then it go through 8. Yeah, 8 is equal to the same value. So now the index, what is the I? I will be 2, the index will be written. So this is the search operation. If you see, so I'm going to run the search operation with the addition. So the first one is the position is found at 2. Yes, the 8, number 8 is position found at 2. I'm giving 11, but there is no number 11. What I did was, if I don't find any number 11, just give me the index -1. It means the position is not found. Okay. Let's go to the delete operation. So the delete operation is similar to the add. In add operation, we are increasing the length by 1, but in delete operation, we will decrease the length by 1 and we will remove it. So the same here, what we did, we will get the first we will get, if you see this method, I'm giving only the array and value because I'm going to use the search operation here. If I get the value, using the search operation, I can find the position. So the position, I want to remove the value 2, which is at the position 4, hence the position is equal to 4. So I have to remove it. So the position should be always greater than or equal to 0. Yeah. So it is greater than 0. Okay. So now I'm going from that, I'm just following this position plus 1, okay, the 4, and it should be less than the array dot length. Yes. Now I am just inserting because I want to remove this 1. So the position plus 1, it is 5. But in my result array, in this array, okay, I want to have the fourth position. Hence, I am giving I minus 1 is equal to I. So the 4 will be just moved to the fourth position. And what I did is, I'm not creating it as a, when you check the add operation, I'll be creating a new result array. In this, I'm using the same array, but instead, in the end, I'm just calling the copy of method. So using this copy of method, I'm creating an array, the same array with this different length. If you see, the array value, I'm just giving the 6, 5, 8, 10, 4, and with the length is array dot length minus 1. So if you check this one in the program, I just do the same thing. Delete. So I will run this program and let's see. So the before deletion it was 6, 5, 8, 10, 2, 4. After deletion it's like I want to remove the 2, hence I'm removing that value and placing the 4 in that index position. So this is how the array, the add, addition and the search operation and delete operation works. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you find it useful, please share it to your friends. If you want upcoming videos, please subscribe to this. Thank you so much.